Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You're in the meeting, now get ready to share. First, make sure your browser is updated and that Google Meet has permission to access your screen and audio. Once done, close heavy apps to keep performance stable and check your camera and mic so you don't interrupt sharing. Click Join or Present on the meeting page. These steps prevent permissions prompts mid-share and ensure your viewers see smooth video and hear audio clearly before you start presenting. Now choose exactly what you'll show and why. Click Present Now, then select your entire screen for full view, a window for a specific app, or a tab when sharing video. Pick Share Audio if you need sound. Make sure to choose the precise window or tab to avoid exposing private content. Once selected, click Share and glance at the preview to confirm. Doing this keeps the audience focused on the right material and avoids the awkward switch when you need to open another app. Finish strong and stay in control while presenting. Use the floating toolbar to pause or stop presenting and to switch between tabs or windows if needed. If the audience reports no sound, first confirm Share Audio was checked, then reload the tab or rejoin the meeting. Reselecting the tab often fixes audio routing. When you're done, click Stop Presenting so your screen is private again. By following these steps, you avoid accidental.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.